Segway Max G3. Pre-orders start March 6th. Oh Jesus Christ. Okay, here we go. Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video about the Ninebot Max G3, my favourite e-scooter at this time of year. We're going to be talking about pre-orders and how it's going to work, how much it'll probably be, and when it's going to be delivered to you guys, if it does, if you buy one of these things. I'll leave the link down in the description below if you want to pre-order March 6, 12 AM PST. Here are all the time zones down here for your pre-orders. So here we go. So basically, for a recap, we have Apple Find My, so this scooter has built-in tracking coming along with dual hydraulic suspension. So dual hydraulic suspensions is now coming in down here. Dual hydraulic suspension, smooth like butter apparently. Where is it? Smooth like butter, equipped with the new dual and front rear adjustable hydraulic suspensions for a smooth ride over rough terrains. As you can see here, yes, you cannot see, but there is hydraulic suspension in that front thing. And this is just like the Max G2, so I believe that's hydraulic suspension at the back with rubber cartridges. As you do not know, there are rubber cartridges in the Max G3. Coming it down here with the tires, it comes with an 11-inch tires, as you can see down here. So 11 inches, basically what every super scooter has now, 11-inch tires. Adjustable suspension as well, so you make it soft and hard as well, so that's sweet. Coming in with 50 miles of range with Seg range, which is Seg Ride, or what is it, riding on technology, which is a range up to 50 miles, but there is a battery that can actually extend it by 130 kilometers. Here's the battery down here. So that can increase up to 135 kilometers on Eco and 110 on Sport mode at 25. We also have the max speed now coming in at 28 miles an hour, which is 45 kilometers of max speed. Coming in at a 30% max climbing slope, 2000 watts of max power. So I think probably the minimum would be about 1000 for sport mode. 2.4 seconds at 15 acceleration, so it'll be really fast from what I see. Smart TFT display, we'll get into that in a second. The brighter lighting system with a daytime running light. Segway airlock with autonomous locking and a verification mark. Looks like they've got one now. So again, this is the pre-sale again, 12 AM PST, and you can sign up to get notified, so I'll leave that also in the link description below. Come down here, this is the scooter itself, so everything is into one curriculum, which is on the left side of the scooter. So you got the mode, which is the modes down here, and the cruise control mode as well. Also got turn signals left and right, and we've got a bell down here. We also get the power on and off button coming in at the sound stripe. With the customizable button, it may or may not be an electric horn, but if it's an electric horn, that's sweet, because they had it on the Max G2, but if they removed it on this scooter, it would be a shame, but it'd probably just be for a really good reason. So they say Max Smart Riding. As you can see the display down here with the range and the trip and other stuff. Smart navigation and display, we'll get to this one, as you need to pay a subscription for this. You don't get it first things first. You have to wait for like a couple-ish months, and then you can get it. I didn't show you this in the other video that I posted before. 2 hours remaining, 7% battery, completed at this time. So I've got to say, I love this thing, this charging thingy, due to the fact it tells you how many hours it needs left to charge, and then this is when it completes. Basically, you can schedule this time to when it charges. So let's say you plug it in at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Say you set it for 7 o'clock at night, and that one will start charging at 7 o'clock. So you can plug in the wire at 2, and then it will start charging at 7. Which is really good because it's a smart TFT display, and I've never seen this on any type of scooter before. But one thing that's absolutely hip-hosed away is it has a incoming call notification. So basically, you can see here down here the contact name and the call notification down here. And what I gotta say is incoming call notifications are a big boom plus. Alright, now if you don't have an Apple Watch and it doesn't ring you or you don't feel it, it will just show you down here. It should give you an automated sound right here down here, and it should let you know when someone's calling you. It should appear with a number as well, but when I get the scooter, we'll put that into range. We'll put that into testing. As you can see here, navigation, integrated navigation guidance on the Max G3's display makes route planning quick and easy. Real-time information, riding status, including speed, battery life, modes, trip to distance, and more. So there's going to be a lot more into this display. Also, a smart charge manager, monitor your charging process with precision. See real-time estimates for charge completion right on your dashboard. So you don't need to go into the app. You can just go straight into the display. This is the reason why I like the scooter, is the display. It's basically the same as the S1, but it's the scooter smart. It just has navigation, which I will not be paying for. If it's a lifetime feature, I will pay. And then you also got the incoming call notifications and the charging time. That is what I like about the scooter, is the TFT display. Coming up here, as you can see down here, we also have the thumb throttle and a twist throttle, which is nice because some scooters have twist throttles, some of them have thumb throttles. To be fair, I like thumb throttles, but your thumb gets really sore if you do not have cruise control on your scooter or prohibit in the country. Twist throttle seems nice, but for my opinion, if you don't know what you're doing and you could just hold it down and crash into something, I really don't like it. But if you're a pro e-scooter rider, this would definitely look good. For these grayish things, black things, these will most likely be, these can be taken off, so you can see a more bolder part, so you can add on an accessory, for example a 9-volt phone holder, which I'm sure they'll still support, or you can just chuck on a handlebar extension and then just put on a few accessories from there. I would recommend a handlebar extension for these things, because if two of them come off, I could chuck on a handlebar extension, and you need to fit more onto there as you cannot on this, because the handlebar is really thick on this. Alright, we're going to come down here now. So we got the autonomous locking, which was firstly introduced on the ZT3 Pro E. So it's the mobility app. So basically, when you walk away from the scooter, you have 4 options. You basically can have that and this, and then you can have personalized locking distance. So when you walk away, it should lock, and when it detects it's disconnected, it will lock. What's the Apple Find My? Every Segway scooter coming up from the latest, the F2 I think, has Apple Find My. Now this is what I've never seen before. A custom button. Oh, maybe that's the custom button down there. Okay, let's read this. The Segway Mobility App, custom sounds. Enjoy a new app experience designed for you. Upload up to 4 seconds of your favorite sound effects to the app and play it during your ride with the custom button by double tapping the brake while parked. So I do not know what this would be, but as you can see down here, we'll load up a new image down here. As you can see down here, looks like it's got power on, so you can add in your power on sound effect. This, I've just seen this just now, and oh my gosh, it looks really good. A mobility alert, which I've never heard before, and a custom button would be the customized button, and you could probably make a noise out of it. If you could add a air horn into it, which has a speaker. If it comes out of a speaker, I will definitely be putting in a horn, which would be nice, to be honest, because I really don't want to pay a little bit for an electric horn. But I don't think I really need an electric horn, but it depends. And my sound effects. So as you can see, I've never seen this feature before, and I really love it. What's going to be BMS 2.0, just the same stuff as before, IPX7 water resistant and battery health monitoring as usual. We also have max confidence in riding, so as you can see, this thing has, let's see, what can we see? Here we go, the stability enhancement system, which is Segway. So basically you don't need to wobble all over the place. It has a geosensor in it, which basically means if you're moving too much, it will shift the weight, and basically what it does, it just makes it nice and stable. It also has a curved handlebar, as you can see in this picture. Apparently this is like a steering damper, so this improves stability, and basically it is going to be a control and smooth ride. We also have TCS traction control system, which is basically firstly introduced on the Max G3, I believe, and it works like a charm. Here's an example. This feature stops drifting and slipping, keeping your ride steady and safe. Now this would be definitely a big turn on for winter. Disturbance range, I do not know what that is, so we'll move on from that. We've got dual input charging, obviously, so 2.5 hours of dual input, so you got to have 2 chargers. And it also has fast charging time, which comes in around 3.5 hours. This is the second charging port down here, as you can see, right down here. We've got a, apparently it's supposed to be nice and light, and a maximum load of 256 pounds, coming in around 130 kilograms, if you are a imperial person. And yeah, that's basically really about it for this website. So I just want to basically tell you guys that pre-orders are going to start March 6th at 12 PM PST. Sign up to get notified. For the price at the moment, with these type of scooters at the moment coming in around for the Max G3 1,500-ish, or I don't know what the price here is in New Zealand because it's really mixed, so I think 1,700. So I'm guessing it is going to be $2,000, or it's going to be $1,700 something dollars. I'm guessing it would be $1,700 because from the Max G30 that was $1,399, I guess, and basically it's been ranging up $200 more. So I'm guessing that this Ninebot Max G3 will be $1,799. Now there's probably be more evidence to it, but there is no price yet, so when pre-orders start I will be definitely looking at that price. And yeah, that's really about it for this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed this nice early emergency upload, and we'll hope to see you guys in the next video.